2021 is finally here. And happy New Year, Aaron Orders, I guess. Because 2020 is done. I hope 2021 is better. Let's just roll it. Welcome back. My name is Nikos Rentas. If this is your first time here, and yeah, you can see from my videos, if you hit the videos down below, they're not many. I set out in 2020 to do a lot of things, but didn't get around to it. In fact, I did a whole bunch of other stuff I wasn't planning on doing instead of all the things that I had planned to do. It was going to be an epic year. It was going to be my year, and you know, didn't turn out that way. Now, let me just start off with saying that, a lot of people had different ideas of what was going to go down at the beginning of the year. At the beginning of last year, everybody was kind of in their goal-oriented path. Same with me, and same with everything that I was doing with Mentors Approach, with my personal brand, everything. And I had started off, going in that direction of, yay, like, this is awesome. And then kind of like everything canceled. And it was just, wow, like, what do we do? Now, you could be one of those people that started off and had a great year and continued that year in a great way. Some people that really capitalized on it. Like, I mean, there were a lot. And then there's the people that didn't capitalize. They, everything blew up in their face. And it was the majority of people that kind of like got derailed and couldn't get back up until mid-year. And then of course the heartfelt stories that occurred to people that had trauma happen, and tragic stories that occurred with their family members. And and my heart goes out to all of them. In fact, what ended up happening with me is, I focused my whole idea was like that focus of the beginning of the year was to get moving and land these big deals. We had a lot of things going for us. Even like, being in, we're going to go back to New York, back to California. We're going to get some videos done and be part of some bigger projects. And it was just like, wow, this is my year coming up. And it didn't happen. Everything got canceled all of a sudden overnight. It was just kind of like, what just happened? And you may notice that, from the other videos, it's a different background, different studio was created in response to what has occurred. And it was, new things came along the way. The idea here becomes that we had to adjust. And for those people that needed the help, I leaned towards that. I actually spent the majority of the year helping people. To be clear, I started coaching people. I started helping a lot of individuals through Mentors Approach. And at the same time, I started working frantically to get moving in the right direction with Mentors Approach, to build courses and do all this stuff. And I didn't even launch the way I wanted to launch. I didn't even launch, really. I'm going to be launching, and this is, I guess, the point of this video. I'm going to be doing a lot of stuff this year. I'm really super excited. But, we focused on helping. And because of that, a lot of our time went towards that direction. And a lot of the projects and the ideas we had, they've started to come together towards the end of the year. Now, I don't regret much of it. I do wish all the big projects and all those things would have happened. We were really getting to that space of commercials and doing some amazing work. However, that didn't happen. And hey, that's the chance of the opportunity will come again. I'm not too worried about it. I really like what we ended up finishing off with. We finished off strong. We got this new studio. We got the courses almost complete. We're going to be working with a lot of people, and we're going to be opening up a lot of opportunities to help a lot more people and really push Mentors Approach in the right direction. I'm really, really excited about that. It's one of my dreams, and it's going to come true. And at the same time, what I want to see is like a big opportunity, a big push in the social media realm where I actually have time to work within the studio and be able to actually produce a lot more content. Reason being, I've created a studio in a way where it could shoot in pretty much any direction. This is why I've been moving around, and you've been seeing all these different angles. I can literally pick up and move. I'm still working on the lighting, of course, but I'm really happy with this, and it's probably the best part of all of it is that we're going to be able to push out content and help more people without have to actually be one-on-one and individually helping each person. We'll be able to actually contribute in a bigger way to more people, which is, quite frankly, like something that I thought was going to happen, but not so soon. So this channel is really going to be focused on the business side of things with creators, the lifestyle of creators, the tools you need, and the ideas that are going to help you propel your business in the right direction. The goal here is to get everybody moving in the right direction cohesively, so we can get everybody moving in a positive manner in that thought process of where they are and where they want to be, such that everybody can have a strong 2021 finish. So stay tuned, more stuff coming. Leave a comment below of what are this kind of stuff that you're going to be wanting to see more of, that you're not getting from a business perspective for creators, and what are kind of things that you really want to see so that it can help you with your direction in 2021. Also, don't forget to check out this video here and check this video here, and of course, like and subscribe below, and let's help this channel grow.